In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Facebook ads reports. This process, while fundamental, is crucial for any marketer or business owner who leverages Facebook advertising to understand the performance of their campaigns. We'll break it down into simple steps, ensuring you have all the information and tips you need to efficiently download the data that matters most to you. We start our journey by navigating to the Facebook Business Manager. This is your central hub for managing all your marketing and advertising activities on Facebook. It's where you can view your ad campaigns, assess their performance, and of course export the needed reports. Once you've reached the Facebook Business Manager page, your next move is to log in using your Facebook credentials. Click on the Login with Facebook button. This step is pretty straightforward. Just make sure you're using the account that has access to the Facebook Business Manager you wish to work with. After successfully logging in, you'll need to choose the correct account associated with the ads you're looking to analyze. This might seem trivial for those who only manage one account, but for marketers handling multiple accounts, selecting the right one is key to fetching the correct data. Next, direct your attention to the lower left panel of the screen and click on Ads. This action will take you deeper into your advertising world, where all the magic happens. Here you can start diving into specific campaigns, ad sets, and ads themselves. Now it's time to click on Ads Manager. This is your command center for Facebook advertising. Ads Manager allows you to create, manage, and view the results of all your Facebook campaigns in one place. It provides a comprehensive overview of your ad performance, making it easier to identify what's working and what's not. After navigating to Ads Manager, go to the Campaigns section. This section is designed to give you an overview of all your advertising campaigns. You can access it directly through the Ads Manager or by clicking on the designated link. Here you'll find a list of your campaigns neatly organized waiting for your review. Locate the campaign for which you want to export the report. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct campaign, as this will directly impact the data you end up exporting. Check the box next to your chosen campaign, signaling that it's the one you're interested in. Now for the exciting part, actually exporting your data. Look for the download icon located on the right side of the screen. This icon is your gateway to obtaining all the significant data you need. Clicking on it will reveal several options for downloading your information. But for now, our focus remains on exporting the table data. Once you click on Export Table Data, you're essentially instructing Facebook to compile the data from your campaign into a downloadable format. You might see different format options, so choose the one that best suits your analysis needs. Whether you prefer an Excel spreadsheet for further manipulation or a PDF for a more presentation-ready format, the choice is yours. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly export Facebook ads reports, enabling you to analyze your ad performance, optimize your strategy, and achieve better results. It's all about making informed decisions, and with the data now at your fingertips, those decisions become much more straightforward. Remember, regularly reviewing and analyzing your Facebook ads reports is crucial for optimizing your advertising efforts. Exporting these reports allows you to take a closer look at your data, identify trends, and make strategic adjustments to your campaigns. Whether you're aiming to increase engagement, boost conversions, or enhance your ROI, the insights gleaned from these reports will guide you toward achieving your marketing objectives. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to export Facebook ads reports. With these steps, you are well on your way to becoming more data-driven in your approach to Facebook advertising. Happy analyzing, and may your campaigns continue to reach and exceed your goals.